Okay guys, so Nightcat Tent Company has sent me for free, but not paid, a hammock tent to try out, but they sent me the pro version, so let's see what they sent me. So we got the hammock under quilt. That's the part that's like a sleeping bag that goes underneath your hammock to keep you warm in cold weather. This right here is the Nightcat hammock tent. Can't wait to see what that's all about. And this. I have no idea what this is, but it's Nightcat. I'm thinking it might be a mattress. That would be so cool, an air mattress. Yep. It's an air mattress to go inside. What? Oh, I gotta give a big shout out to Heather for bringing this out to me and letting me send it to her house. This right here is the Nightcat hammock tent. So let's see what's in this bad boy. Nightcat, baby. It's the same as that, but it's the hammock tent. Bam! Looks really nice. This will be good to hang off my bike. Super lightweight. All right, let's go over here and set it up. Nightcat. Yeah, baby. That looks real nice. I've never seen so nice. Wow. This is actually the hammock. Feels so soft. Cool. This must be the rain fly. Yeah, that's nice. They've got our poles in the tent, stakes, and lines. Awesome. These are really nice, that. Even hangers. Aluminum for lightweight. Yes. Like it. Alright, so we got another strap. It's really good. Boom! Whip it. Okay, so this is the Nightcat sleeping pad. It comes with the underquilt. My back needs this. Big time. Boom! Nightcat, baby! Looks like it's got little buttons so you can button it right in. Oh, yep, it's self-inflating, so you just close it and you step on it, it inflates itself. Rock on, Nightcat, rock on. Okay, so it didn't show me recording it. That's okay. So what you do is you put these in on both sides. Then I suggest you put in the air mattress in there. That is sweet. Look at that. Wow. That's the coolest thing I ever had. All right, let's see if I can get in it. And we're in, swinging, but oh, it feels so comfortable. I'll see you guys next week.